Hello, this is Trevor from the Youth Services Department. I am going to show you how to make a recycled t-shirt pet toy. All you need to make this craft is 3 pieces of t-shirt cloth. You can cut these out of an old t-shirt. The pieces should be about 1 to 2 inches wide and 16 to 18 inches long. I will be showing you how to braid the strips. First, you tie one end tightly into a knot. Then you secure that end by either safety pinning it to something, with help from a grown-up, sticking the end of it in a drawer, or asking someone to hold it for you. Then you start braiding. Begin by taking one of the outside pieces and moving it to the middle of the other 2 pieces. Then take the piece from the other side and move it to the middle of the other 2 pieces. Continue this back and forth until you get to the end of the pieces. Then you need to tightly tie this end into a knot. You can trim the ends if you want. And you are done! Your cat or dog can have fun pulling on or fetching this toy. The library has lots of great books about dogs and cats, both fiction and nonfiction. One that I recommend is Frankie by Mary Sullivan. Frankie is about a dog who is adopted and goes home to his new family, only to discover that another dog already lives there and does not want to share his toys. Check this book out to find out how Frankie deals with his new adopted sibling.
Once you finish your creation, upload a photo to social media of your completed project to share your work. DM us the photo or tag @Mesa County Lib in your post.